Hello everyone, welcome to Couple Eats. Today we are making chili chicken. So first we need to marinate our chicken. So in a pan take chicken. I'm using boneless chicken here. 3 tablespoons of curd, you can roughly measure them. You want the curd to nicely coat over the chicken so the chicken gets tenderized. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Oops. I'm using sriracha sauce here. You can use chili sauce instead. Gives a nice kick to your marination. And to add up a little bit more heat, I'm adding chili powder. Salt to taste. Give it a good mix. Make sure all the chicken pieces are coated evenly. You need to marinate the chicken minimum of at least 1 hour, but I have marinated this for around 4 to 6 hours, so you can refrigerate it. So transfer it to a container which is easy to refrigerate. So now I'm taking the chicken pieces individually because you don't want too much of the marination coming into our deep frying, because too much of moisture will absorb a lot of oil. So take the chicken pieces separately with enough marination. I'm adding ginger garlic paste here. I'm taking 1 cup of corn flour. The amount of corn flour depends upon the amount of chicken you're taking. So the consistency is that the corn flour should give a good coating to your chicken. Use your hands, get a little messy, you can mix them up. Make sure the corn flour is coated really well. So to make the sauce, I'm taking a little water in a cup, in a bowl, adding 1 spoon of vinegar, some tomato ketchup, roughly around 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, two tablespoons of soy sauce. You can add sriracha sauce here too. If you don't have sriracha, you can add chili sauce. Little bit of corn flour, around 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Give it a good mix and allow to sit for a while. So in a pan, take some oil. This is to fry the chicken. So you can use the oil of choice. I'm using coconut oil here because that's what we usually use at home. If you do not like the flavor of coconut oil, you can use sunflower oil. So it gives a neutral flavor. It doesn't give any taste to your chicken. So you add your chicken pieces individually. Don't overcrowd because too much of chicken pieces tends to reduce the temperature of the oil. Make sure each chicken pieces is well coated. Need to fry them till it turns golden brown. Once it turns golden brown, you can remove it. The chicken is around 90% cooked at this point. So now we'll move on to making the sauce for chili chicken. So in a pan, take some oil. Take finely diced garlic. Saute them a little bit. Don't burn your garlic because that gives a burnt flavor to your dish. So just saute it till it's golden in color, then add your green chili. I've taken 4 green chili here. Get a little creative, you can slice them up according to the shape that you like. I'm taking 4 onion here, small sized. I've made them into small petals, so it kind of looks even when it's cooked. You don't want to brown your onion, you just want it to get translucent, and then you can add the sauce that you've already created. To that you can add a little bit more water. Give it a good mix. So to this I'm adding a little bit more salt and chili powder. The spice level you can adjust to your liking. If you want it much more spicier, you can add a little bit more spice. If you like it to be a little bit more sweeter side, you can reduce on the chili at this stage. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of sugar at this stage. Like I said about the spice, the sugar levels you can adjust according to your taste. If you don't like it to be too sweet, you can end up having around 1.5 teaspoons. Then pepper. I'm adding a little bit more water to adjust the consistency to my liking. If you want your chili chicken to be dry, you can condense the sauce a little bit more and toss your chicken over. I want somewhere like a semi-gravy stage, so I'm adding a little water there. Now we'll transfer the fried chicken pieces into the gravy mix we've made. And give it a good mix. Make sure the sauce is evenly coated on all the chicken pieces. Allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes so the chicken is fully cooked. And you're done. Yummy, yummy, delicious chili chicken. Do try at home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.